What's up, YouTube? Necro Valley here, and we are going to be dueling today. And we opened up pretty optimal. Um, I say we activate Grand Spellbook Tower, summon Temperance, effect. You see if our effect is good. Tribute it. Then we special summon our Priestess. Activate Spellbook of Secrets. And then we're going to add Wisdom to our hand. Set. End turn. Seems legit. Pretty hard to get around unless he does like Dark Hole or something. Probably gonna like heavy me or something like that. Got Spellbook of Wisdom. Oh, Magician. Oh no. Shark Magician broken! Broken! That is broke as hell. Look, he summons Magician, activates Shark's effect, special summons it, and he's gonna change it to level 3. And then he's gonna activate his other Magician's effect, and he's just gonna go ham. Look, look at this. He opened broke. What's he gonna go for now? Like, he can't really get over Priestess unless he has something else. Photon Butterfly. Okay. Oh, oh, okay. He's gonna get Magician back. Oh my god. Oh, I wish I had Max C. Oh my god, I wish I had a Veiler. Christ almighty, what the fuck? Look at this fucking shit. He's gonna go for freaking... Oh my fucking god. Go for Carrier. Activate Carrier's effect. Activate Activate Magician's effect. Oh my freaking god. Look at this shit. Why summon that in attack position? You're a fucking moron. He can't really get over Priestess unless he has anything to do. Which he'll probably go like Smashing Ground, and then I can chain my Wisdom to it. And Wisdom to Smashing Ground. What's he gonna overlay for next? Like Magit which effect? Oh god. Baylor would have like helped out so bad. Oh, that's just oh. I hope I can pull off something big next turn, because he's gonna crash into Prophecy probably. He's gonna do something to crash into it because he doesn't have anything strong enough. Like, hopefully he doesn't. Oh, he could have overlaid for... Oh. No. No. Terrace? Oh, Audrey. Oh. Uh-oh. Sad. Sad face. Oh, no. Oh, no. I'm going to take 26, 21, and 15. Ouch. Oh, no. Ugh. And when you summon that, I'm going to special summon that in defense. Alright, to the bottom of the deck, and let's see if we can get our draw. Let's see. Ooh, that's pretty good. Hmm. 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 Oh, wait. I can change that to attack position. And then we're going to crash into Zen Mighty. Power. Add secrets. Spellbook of Life. This may seem like a bad move to you, but let's do this. Banish this. Wisdom. Temperance. Okay. Temperance effect. Destroy Adrius. Trag to level 7. And now we have a pretty good play. I did not normal summon this turn. So, yeah. Nice move, huh? I got over his field. Look at that. Like, you can see how broken this move is. Big Eye. I took his Photon Pappy. I took Magician. And I had that on the field. Oh my freaking god. Sure. He can go for that. Like, no problem. Like, no problem. He's probably gonna go for Summoner. If he goes Leviair into Summoner Monk, I'd be okay with that. He's gonna go for Zen Mains, probably. Oh, Acid Golem. That's gonna 30, 29, 20, 27, 26, 25, 24, 2400. Ouch! Oof, 2400. Good game. Good game.